Good morning, grade 3. Welcome to another math lesson. And in today's class, we're going to be learning about geometric ideas. But before we get into today's lesson, we're going to be recapping what was taught in the last class. Now, did you know that a line is a geometric idea? A line is a geometric idea that runs in both directions. A line has length but no width. There are four major types of lines. What are they? The oblique line. And the oblique line is a slant line. The horizontal line. Now this line, it goes from left to right or right to left. Now let's look at the vertical line. The vertical line, it goes from top to bottom or bottom to top. The final line we're going to be looking at is the curved line. Now the curved line, it goes in both directions like all the other lines. However, it changes direction. So this one is the curved line. Now, how many major lines do we have? We have the oblique line, the horizontal line, the vertical line, and the curved line. Very good. Now at this time, we're going to be going through the lesson, the objectives of the lesson. Now, objective number 1. What does it say? Identify, so you're going to be identifying basic geometric ideas in the environment. Objective number 2. Make association with these geometric ideas in the real world. Objective number 3. Use recycled materials to construct the 4 basic geometric ideas. And objective number 4. Describe the 4 basic geometric ideas. Now let's get started. At this time, we're going to be watching a video that will be informative, a video that will educate you about the 4 basic geometric ideas. Now, in this video, you're going to be learning words like point, line, ray, and line segment. After watching the video, you'll be able to describe a line, a point, a ray, and a line segment.
Today, we will learn basic concepts of geometry. So, let's get started. Today, we will learn about points, lines, line segments, and rays. Let's start with a point. A point is represented by a dot. It is named with a capital letter. Example, this is point A. Here are more examples of points. Here, A, B, C, D are points. Now, let's see what is a line segment. A line segment is a path between 2 points. Example, this is line segment, AB or BA. Line segments are represented like this. That is a bar above the line name. Here are some more examples of line segments. This line segment will be written as PQ or QP with a bar above the name. That denotes that it's a line segment. Similarly, this line will be represented as BC or CB. With a bar above the line denotes that it's a line segment. Now, let's see what is a line. Line. A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. That is, there is no endpoint on a line, unlike line segment. This is line AB or BA. This symbol is made on top of the name of a line. It denotes that the line goes on forever in both directions, and there is no endpoint on it. Here are more examples of lines. And this is the way we write them. Now, let's see what is a ray. Ray. A ray is a straight path that goes forever in one direction. That is ray AB. There is an endpoint on one side, and on one side there is an arrow showing. It goes forever in this direction. It is named like this. The symbol on top of the name shows that this is a ray starting from A and goes forever in direction B. Here are more examples of rays, and they will be names like this. Now, let's learn what is a plane.
In the video you have watched, you would have learned that the geometric ideas are point, line segment, and ray. Now, a point is a dot, a simple dot. A line goes in both directions, and it does not stop. It goes on forever. And a line segment, it has two endpoints, which means that it cannot extend beyond the points. And the ray has one endpoint and an arrow, which allows it to go on forever in one direction. Now we're going to be reading a conversation between Jake and his friend James. Jake, what are geometric ideas? Geometric ideas are seen in our environment without noticing. Geometric ideas make up angles. This means an angle is constructed or formed by using geometric ideas. For example, the ray. Alright, let's continue. A ray is also used to point to direction or location when you have no idea of the location. Below you will see a bunny rabbit trying to find the treasure tree he heard about. Now, the bunny rabbit has no idea where the treasure tree is. Now at this time you should be looking at an image pointing to the direction of the treasure tree. But how will the bunny find the tree? Yes, Jake, you have guessed it correctly. He must follow the direction which will lead him to the tree. And when you look at the map, you will notice that there is a ray pointing to the direction of the treasure tree. Likewise, a ray shows us directions to places. Say, for example, you're going to a community, but you have no idea where the community is located. Usually on the road, you'll see road signs. And these road signs, they are rays, showing you directions to the place you want to go. So all you need to do is just follow the direction, which is a ray, usually a ray, pointing you to where you need to go. On the other hand, line segments are used to construct polygons. So when I say polygons, I'm talking about shapes, triangles, rectangles, rhombus, you name it, all the shapes. Thanks a lot, Jake. I have learned a lot. Now that we have finished reading the conversation between Jake and James, we are now going to be moving on to the activities. Now, activity number 1 says, from the video you have watched, describe the geometric ideas below. They're already on the board. So points, line, line segment, and ray. So you're going to be describing them. So when you say describe, you're going to say how is it that how do they look? That's all we need to know. Now the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be describing how each of the geometric idea, how do each look. Remember, we went through all of that already and you watched the video. Now after doing so, you're going to be using recycled materials to make a model of each geometric idea. That's all you have to do. So you should have an image or model representing a point, a line segment, and a ray.